Little boy. Workaholic.
We would like to give credit to the Bearded Science Guy on YouTube for this fun, kid-friendly experiment. Okay, so today we are going to make magnetic slime. Alright, so first everyone's going to get a bottle of glue.
This is mine.
And we're going to pour the entire contents inside the bowl.
You're allowed to eat this?
No, we're not eating it, so put it inside the bowl.
Like take it like this?
Yep, pour the entire container inside the bowl. To complete this experiment, you will need Elmer's glue, iron filings, we purchased them on Amazon for about $6.99 for a container, water, borax, household magnets, spoons, and bowls.
It looks like mayonnaise. Yeah, but it also looks like yellow. It looks like white acrylic paint.
Very specific. So now we're going to take some water and we're going to pour it in, okay?
Yeah.
So now I want you to stir it.
Kind of feels like shaving cream. It looks exactly like shaving cream.
So we want to make sure that that's all smooth. So for the next step, we're going to take borax and we're going to mix it with water. Okay, so I already did that for you. So now we're going to pour a little bit of this into each one. Start stirring.
My turn. My turn. Okay, I'm the
You're the huge blob.
Ew. There is a huge blob. It's already.
Yeah, so you got to keep stirring it.
Oh, it smells gross. Oh. That smells like garbage. It is pure.
All right, everyone's going to pick up their slime now.
I don't want to. I'm scared.
Pick it up.
Touch it.
I don't want to touch glue.
Well, you're touching it. I'm touching mine. I think all of
So you guys are going to pick it up. You guys are going to fold it like this. You see? Because we can't make it magnetic if you guys don't fold it.
This is definitely slime everything.
Yeah,
It's so gross.
So you got to fold
This
it.
is the real thing.
You guys have to fold it about 30 times. So
30
pull it and then
I
put it
can't
in
do
half.
it. I can't do it.
Pull it, put it in half.
Oh.
So for this next step, we're going to take the iron filings and I'm going to sprinkle them on top. So make sure to spread it out a little bit so we can make sure we get a lot on it, okay? So we're going to sprinkle the iron filings
Iron?
all over it.
I'm scared. I'm scared to touch it.
All right, so pick it up and fold it.
I think I just
Just like what we were doing before.
Okay, I'm not touching it. Oh no, I can't. I'm not.
There you
Oh no. Oh,
go. Pick it up and fold it.
Then, so it can be soft and then you can fold it, right? I think your guys' slime turned out better than mine. Yeah.
This was a lot of work.
Yep.
I think I just got a little bit more water on it.
Yeah, so if it gets a little too hard, we can put a little bit more water on it.
Or we can make it. This is like kneading dough. Yeah. Mine feels a lot smoother. And it's a tiny bit. It still is hard. Sissy, mine. Sissy, feel mine. Feel mine. Oh, yours is so squishy.
I'm gonna test mine.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Nope, not magnetic.
It's not magnetic? I thought it would be magnetic. Right.
This is a lot of work.
It's a little disappointing.
It's very disappointing.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let's try out this one to see if we can make it magnetic with this one. If we can put more in. So we know that the iron is magnetic because if we set it down, it sticks to it, even through the plastic.
Mine is.
This may sound like it's cheating, but make sure you have strong enough magnets. We're doing it!
Oh, it's working, everybody!
You see how it's moving?
That is awesome! Guys, I just had the best idea ever!
We can put it there. There's the slime.
Oh, what?
It's eating it.
I wish we had.
It's eating the magnet.
Well, if you leave it there, let's see how far the magnet moves.
But I wish mine could eat.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness! Ta-da! Even the material we're using is magnet.